Setting up a router in Cisco SD-WAN, software-defined wide area network, involves configuring the router to participate in the SD-WAN network and follow the policies and rules set by the SD-WAN controller. SD-WAN aims to optimize and manage network traffic across multiple WAN connections, providing better performance and flexibility. The specific steps may vary depending on the version of Cisco SD-WAN you're using, but here's a general outline of the process. Physical setup. 1. Physically connect the router to your network infrastructure, including WAN links and RAN connections. Initial configuration. 1. Access the router's command line interface, CLI, using a terminal emulation software, for example, PuTTY, Secure CRT, or a direct console connection. Basic configuration. 1. Configure basic settings such as host name, domain name, and management interfaces. Connect to SD-WAN controller. 1. Register the router with the SD-WAN controller. 1. This might involve providing the controller's IP address or host name, along with authentication details. Certificate installation, optional but recommended. 1. Install necessary certificates to ensure secure communication between the router and the SD-WAN controller. Configure WAN interfaces. 1. Configure the WAN interfaces of the router, which might involve specifying IP addresses, subnet masks, and link attributes. Create VPNs, virtual private networks. 1. Define VPNs that represent different network segments or sites within your organization. Define transport policies. 1. Define policies that determine how traffic is treated based on quality of service, QoS, application type, and other factors. Configure security policies. 1. Implement security policies for traffic filtering, firewall rules, and intrusion prevention. Set up dynamic path selection. 1. Configure dynamic path selection algorithms to determine the best route for specific types of traffic based on real-time conditions. Quality of service, QoS, configuration. 1. Implement QoS settings to prioritize critical applications and ensure optimal performance. Monitor and manage. 1. Regularly monitor the router's performance and status through the SD-WAN controller's dashboard. 1. Make adjustments as needed. Testing and optimization. 1. Test the SD-WAN configuration thoroughly to ensure that traffic is being routed as intended. 1. Fine-tune policies for optimal performance. Please note that these steps are a high-level overview, and the actual commands and configuration may vary based on the Cisco SD-WAN version you are using. It's recommended to refer to Cisco's official documentation or consult with Cisco certified professionals for detailed and version-specific instructions. Cisco provides comprehensive guides and resources for deploying and managing SD-WAN solutions.